Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the Javier Gold Scalper V2, an expert advisor available for MT4. Now before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let's just jump straight into the MQL5 Marketplace page and see what this EA has to offer. Looking at the listing, the Javier Gold Scalper V2 is developed by Felipe Jose Costa Pereira and is currently priced at 250 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 125 US dollars. The version shown here is version 4.0, and the developer also notes that the price increases as more licenses are sold, with a limited number of copies available. Right away, it is clear that this EA is focused specifically on the gold market. All right, the recommended symbol is XAUUSD and the suggested time frame is M30. The developer also states that it can be used with any broker and any account type, although lower spreads are preferred. Recommended leverage starts from 1 to 500, while a VPS is described as preferred but not mandatory. As I continue through the description, the developer explains that the EA was designed specifically for trading gold, with an emphasis on precision, market analysis, and risk management. Now, one of the main features highlighted is its ability to analyze chart patterns in real time. According to the product page, the system stores chart information and evaluates recurring market movement patterns while also considering buy and sell order volume during its analysis process. Another feature discussed is the EA's ability to dynamically adjust trading frequency, based on market conditions. The developer explains that during periods of higher volatility, the system may increase trading activity to take advantage of additional opportunities. Then during lower volatility conditions, it reduces activity and focuses on what the developer describes as higher quality setups. Okay, the product page also mentions that the default settings are designed to be easy to use, okay, while still allowing experienced traders to customize various parameters. Available adjustments include trading frequency, strategy selection, distance between trades, and lot control settings. Okay, before moving into the backtesting section, it's worth noting the recommended capital requirements provided by the developer. The minimum suggested balance is 1,000 US dollars, while a more conservative approach, including prop firm usage, is suggested at 0.01 lots per 5,000 US dollars. Now let's just move over to the historical testing and chart analysis. The developer states that the EA has undergone more than a decade of testing on real accounts across different market conditions. According to the product description, this testing included various market environments and broker data sources with the goal of evaluating robustness and consistency over time. All right, so now we're just going to be going to the strategy tester, and we want to test the Javier Gold Scalper on XAUUSD M30 time frame. You can see that is exactly what we're doing here. Javier Gold Scalper V2 XAUUSD M30 time frame. We are using the every tick modeling. As for the date for the testing, from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. Okay, so the testing has already been completed, and we didn't exactly have any trade executed here, but I very well followed, the recommendations here. As we can see, XAUUSD 30. As for the balance, we actually have a balance of 50,000, as we can see here, which is above the recommended. And as for the leverage, we also have a leverage of, let's just go to the expert properties. We can see we have a leverage of okay, so the leverage information is not included here, but the leverage shouldn't be an issue, right? Because I've also tested a few other EAs, a couple of them, so that shouldn't be an issue. But we didn't have any trade executed here. I'm just going to check the journal, and okay, we're seeing, okay, so I am just going to recommend that you also try to test the EA using the recommended settings. Okay, and I would also recommend, for the sake of time, I had to just use 5 months for the testing. Okay, but I recommend that if you are interested in this EA, you should actually test it over a longer period of time, maybe a year or two or more. All right, even though it might take more time for the test to be completed, but if you are really interested in this EA, I think it's going to be worth the time. All right, so since we didn't have exactly any trade taken based on this test results, let's just enable the visual mode and click on start. Let's see exactly how the EA is going to execute trade, and compare it based on the information that we already have from the MQL5 Marketplace. All right, so I want to focus primarily on the behavior of the system throughout different market phases rather than looking only at final performance figures. Okay, and based on the information provided, the EA appears to adjust its activity level depending on market volatility, which is one of the key concepts highlighted by the developer. And beyond that, I wouldn't make assumptions about the specific entry logic, exit logic, or internal decision making process, because those details aren't exactly disclosed on the marketplace page. So instead, it's more appropriate to evaluate how the overall trade activity and equity growth behaved throughout the historical analysis. And as always, um, historical backtest results and historical testing performance should never be viewed as guarantees of future results. Actual performance can vary based on lot size, risk setting, spread, slippage, broker execution quality, market conditions, and user optimization choices. So keep that in mind when you are testing the expert advisor. All right. Overall, despite the information of the backtest results not being available, the heavier gold scalper V2 presents itself as a specialized MT4 expert advisor for XAUUSD trading on the M30 time frame. The focus on chart pattern analysis, dynamic trading frequency, and customization options based on the information we have on the MQL5 marketplace, right? Because that's what have to use now. So based on all this, it's the customization options gives traders several areas to evaluate during their own testing process. As with any automated system, it's important to thoroughly test the EA on a demo account and follow the developer's recommendations before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.